Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best Defender accessories is probably one of the most exciting ways to personalize and enhance your Traxxas TRX-4 Defender, transforming it from a capable scale crawler into a truly unique and high-performing machine that reflects your individual style and off-road ambitions. Whether you're aiming for ultimate realism, improved durability, or enhanced functionality for tackling tougher trails, the vast array of available upgrades offers endless possibilities to make your Defender stand out from the crowd and conquer any terrain with confidence and flair. Number 5. DJCRAWLER 110 RC Chassis Armor Set for TRX-4. Introducing the DJCRAWLER 110 RC Chassis Armor Set, designed to give your TRX-4 unparalleled protection. This heavy-duty upgrade is built to withstand the toughest terrains. Crafted from thick stainless steel, this armor provides a wider range of protection and superior durability. It's built to last, resisting rust and deformation. Adding weight to your RC car's chassis, it enhances stability for a steadier driving experience. Conquer challenging landscapes with improved control. Installation is a breeze, utilizing the original screws for a secure and perfect fit. It offers a reasonable and firm chassis protection effect without hassle. Featuring a powder spray finish, similar to real car parts, it offers enhanced scratch resistance and a more beautiful appearance. It perfectly matches the original chassis color. This all-metal stainless steel armor is drop-proof, anti-collision, and rust-proof. It's ready for any adventure, ensuring your RC car stays protected in all conditions. What we like. This accessory offers comprehensive chassis protection with its thick stainless steel construction. It's designed to be heavy-duty, adding stability to your RC car. If you frequently drive over rough terrain or want to ensure maximum durability for your TRX-4, this is a solid choice. What people say. The TRX-4 Defender body is a highly detailed and accurate replica of the real vehicle, capturing all the iconic design cues. The included LED light buckets allow for easy installation of aftermarket lighting, enhancing the scale realism of the TRX-4 Defender. The high-quality plastic used in a TRX-4 Defender body ensures durability and resistance to scratches and impacts, making it suitable for off-road use. Number 4. RC Plastic Door Handle Fuel Tank Cap for Traxxas TRX-4. Enhance the look of your Traxxas TRX-4 with these realistic decoration accessories. They are designed to add a touch of authenticity to your RC crawler. Crafted from hard plastic, these parts are built to last. They are durable and not easily broken, ensuring long-lasting use for your RC adventures. This set includes everything you need: 4 door handles, 2 cover hinges, 2 door hinges, 2 grille covers, and 1 fuel tank port. Get ready for a full customization. Easily fixed with screws, these accessories significantly increase the authenticity of your RC car. They are designed to make your model stand out. Available in a sleek black color, these parts will make your RC car look even cooler and more attractive. It's the perfect choice for a stylish upgrade. Give your RC car a unique and eye-catching appearance. These accessories are the ideal way to make your vehicle more appealing and personalized. What we like. This set significantly boosts the visual realism of your RC crawler with various detailed parts like door handles and hinges. Made from durable plastic, it's built to last. If you're aiming to make your TRX-4 look as close to a real vehicle as possible and enjoy the finer details, this is the upgrade for you. What people say. The TRX-4 Defender body is a fantastic replica with great detail. The included LED lights add a realistic touch and improve visibility. The portal axles provide excellent ground clearance for off-roading. Number 3. INJORA RC Metal Window Mesh for TRX-4. Elevate the look of your 110 RC crawler. This metal window mesh adds a touch of realism to your vehicle. Crafted with fine workmanship, this accessory is built to last. It's designed to seamlessly integrate with your RC car. Installation is straightforward thanks to the included screws. You'll have it securely attached in no time. Boost the authenticity of your RC crawler. It's the perfect detail for serious enthusiasts. Make your RC car look cooler and more attractive. This accessory is sure to turn heads on the trail. What we like. Add a touch of realism and protection to your RC car's windows with these metal mesh covers. They are crafted with fine workmanship to enhance the scale appearance. If you want to protect your windows from debris while also making your TRX-4 look more authentic, consider this option. What people say. The TRX-4 Defender body is a fantastic replica of the real thing, with incredible detail. The articulation and suspension on this rig are top-notch, making it capable of handling tough terrain. Number 2. Traxxas 8140R TRX-4 Long Arm Lift Kit, Red. Introducing the Long Arm Lift Kit for your TRX-4. It's designed to elevate your off-road experience to new heights. This kit provides more than an inch of extra ground clearance. You can now tackle tougher terrain without sacrificing your suspension or steering. Everything you need is included: longer links and shocks, taller springs, extended drive shafts, and a modified servo mount. Plus, all the necessary hardware for a seamless installation. Built to last, the rods feature a tough red powder-coated finish for enhanced durability. It's as rugged as it looks. This versatile upgrade is compatible with all TRX-4 models. Get ready to transform your rig, no matter which version you own. What we like. This long arm lift kit provides over an inch of extra ground clearance without negatively impacting your suspension or steering. It includes all necessary components for a complete upgrade. If you need to tackle more challenging obstacles and want to improve your TRX-4's off-road capability, this kit is ideal. What people say. The TRX-4 Defender accessories are designed to enhance the scale realism of your RC crawler, offering highly detailed replicas of classic Defender features. These accessories provide functional upgrades, such as improved suspension components and durable body panels, that increase the performance and longevity of the TRX-4 Defender on challenging terrains. The range of accessories allows for extensive customization, enabling enthusiasts to personalize their TRX-4 Defender with unique visual and performance modifications. Number 1. RCLIONS Metal Pedal Side Board for TRX-4 Bronco. Enhance your 110 RC Crawler TRX-4 Bronco with these premium metal side pedals. They are designed to significantly boost your RC car's cool factor and visual appeal. Crafted from durable metal, these side boards are built to last. They add a touch of realism, making your RC car stand out from the crowd. Specifically designed for the 110 RC Crawler TRX-4 and TRX-4 Bronco models. Installation is straightforward, allowing you to quickly upgrade your vehicle. These parts increase the authenticity of your RC car. They make your model look more attractive and ready for any adventure. With a total length of 159 mm and a hole-to-hole distance of 118 mm, these pedals offer a precise fit. Their width is 11 mm, complementing the overall design. Give your RC car a serious style upgrade. These metal side boards are the perfect way to make it look cooler and more appealing. What we like. These metal side pedals are designed to enhance the scale appearance of your TRX-4, making it look more realistic. Constructed from durable metal, they serve as functional side steps. If you're looking to add a touch of scale detail and a more robust look to your Bronco or other TRX-4 models, these are a great addition. What people say. The TRX-4 Defender body is a fantastic replica, capturing the iconic look with great detail. Excellent fit and finish on the Defender body, making it a perfect upgrade for the TRX-4 platform. The included LED light buckets are a nice touch, allowing for easy installation of lighting accessories. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.